So this is the cute little vintage Coach double lipstick case, style number 4736. And this little case was made in the Dominican Republic, and I think it was likely made in the early 2000s. And let me go ahead and open it. Oops. It's got a mirror inside, and then obviously space where you can store 2 little lipsticks. So it's a nice little compact size. Could probably put a lipstick and a chapstick in here as well if that works better for you. And this is great for travel. So like I mentioned, it's got a little mirror inside right here, as you can see, and then this compartment for the lipstick, and then it's got a snap closure like so. And then the great thing about this little case is that it can also fit inside like a handbag or your purse. This is a little canteen bag that's fairly small, and it fits fine inside. So this is a nice little size case, and like I mentioned, it would be great for travel. So I'll go ahead and show it to you now. It's got the little Coach cartouche stamp here on the front, and then here's what the sides look like, and then here's the back. So that's the double lipstick case. I think it's somewhat more uncommon or rare because I've seen quite a few of the single lipstick case that Coach made around the same time period. It has a little interior mirror. I actually sold one a while ago, but this is the only one that I've personally come across, at least that I've gotten into the store, that is the double size. So I think it's a little bit more uncommon. But anyway, if you're interested in checking it out further, I will link it below in the Etsy shop, but I just wanted to share it with you guys. So hope you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.